Today we're going to go over how to convert back and forth between headband and helmet mounted configuration on the amp communication headset. To do this, we're going to use our helmet rail mount kit, which includes 2 rail arms and this Velcro kit you'll see here. For the sake of time, we pre-installed the Velcro kit onto this fast helmet. The black triangle pieces are installed on the inner side of the helmet right here. And then these Velcro one wrap strips wrap right around from the inside of the helmet all the way to the back. This is an important piece later for managing the ear-to-ear cable. So first thing we need to do is remove the ear cup assembly from the headband itself. So if you look on the bottom of the headband, there are 3 Velcro tabs that have arrows on them. You're going to unfasten those, which will partially free up the ear-to-ear cable. You'll go to the back on the arm and pull towards you, which will free this rubber strap. Now the ear-to-ear cable is completely free from the headband. Next step, you're gonna put one of the ear cups in the palm of your hand, put your thumb here on the headband strap, take your index finger around to the arm over here and just pull towards you, which will pop the ear cup off. Do the same thing for the other side. You can fold up the headband, put it aside, it can be reused for later use. And now the ear cup assembly is completely free from the headband. Now we're gonna take our rail arms and install them onto the ear cup. It's important that you install this correctly. This little circle portion should be facing down. On the inside of the strap, there's an arrow which should be pointing up. And if you notice on the inside, these little tabs that insert into the ear cup are keyed a certain way. If you look on the side of the ear cup, that matches. You're gonna put one of those tabs in the one side on the ear cup, and all you do is press down on the other side, and it snaps right into place. Take the other ear cup and do the same thing. Now the rail arms are installed onto the ear cups. Then what you're gonna do is take your helmet. We're gonna be installing the rail arms to the rear portion of the helmet here. It's very important that this part, which is called the shoe, is oriented like this, in line with the rail arm. It will ship to you like this, but in case it's been manipulated another way, just simply rotate it like this with the tab facing down. Acoustic cavity on the ear cup should be facing forward. You're going to take your helmet, put the shoe into the rear portion of the rail, and just simply push up until it clicks into the first slot. If you have a super high cut helmet, you have the option of going up an additional slot if you prefer. Once you have it in there, you simply rotate the rail arm in, and this locks the rail arm onto the helmet. Then, before you install the other side, you're gonna let gravity unwind the ear cup and do the same thing. Rotate the arm in. This locks the rail arm into the helmet. The next step to manage the ear-to-ear cable, if you look on the back of the rail arm itself, there's a claw built right into it, a little clip that manages the cable. You pop the cable right into that. And the last step, which is where the Velcro comes in, unfasten these Velcro one wrap pieces, bring the cable down, and secure it just like so. If you look on this head form here, this is a fully mounted system. This piece of the arm can be extended so you can directly center the ear cup over your ear. If you want to stow the ear cup, you can bring it right up here on the side of the helmet, all the way to any position on the side, back to fully stowed. It's important that you follow a natural motion of going up like this and not try to stow the ear cup back like this, because if you do that, you'll see the ear-to-ear cable combined. To uninstall the system from the helmet, First thing you're going to want to do is undo any of the cable management. So you release the Velcro. You're going to unpop the cable out of this clip, which frees the ear-to-ear cable. You're going to rotate, just like it had to be installed this way, you're going to rotate the rail arm down. With the super high cut helmet, you have enough clearance where you can just go straight up and out of the rail arm. On a high cut helmet, you simply rotate it down, and then you have to lift the tab up underneath and pull downward. Now, to free the rail arms from the ear cup assembly, it's very similar to taking it off the headband. Put your thumb here on the strap, take your index finger around to one side, and just pry the rail arm off. To go back into headband mode, front of the ear cups are where the microphones are, facing forward. Front of the headband are where those Velcro tabs are, facing forward. On the headband, the rubber strap should be facing to the rear. Take one side of the headband, install one of those tabs into one side of the ear cup, and press down on the other side. Let gravity unwind the cable, come around to the other side, and repeat the process. Important that the ear-to-ear cable goes over the headband and not under the headband. Secure this middle tab first, ensuring that the ear-to-ear cable runs on the front edge of the headband and not underneath it. And then secure down the other two. Last step is securing the rubber straps on the rear. And then you're fully back in headband mode.